Okay, here we are with the Fresh Roast SR540 automatic coffee bean roaster. This is just a quick unboxing. See what's in this bad boy. Alright, a little bit of styrofoam. No markings on that, but looks like regular extruded foam. Okay, alright, what do we got here? Oh, we got the new roast chamber. This is quite a bit nicer than the previous versions. Nice glass handle on there. That's really cool. Okay, let's pull that out. Then, of course, we've got our instruction book. Very light instruction book here. You know, the safeguards, liability, don't do this. Really just one page of instructions, and I think this thing's fairly straightforward, but it's there if you need it. Yeah, this is all just liability. Do not use as a baby pacifier, do not make popcorn, not to be used as a sex toy. You know, all the standard stuff. Alright, there's the chaff collector. Let's open that bad boy up. This looks much nicer. The screen material looks, you know, like really high quality stainless steel. And of course, I'm only comparing this to the original FB01 Fresh Roast Plus 8, which was, I don't know, like 20 years old or something. So, I'm sure that they've come a long way, those folks at Home Roasting Supplies. But there it is. This feels a lot more solid than that one, too. Again, 20 years probably makes a big difference, but yeah, it's a nice screen in there. Not as much air outlet as I thought. I guess that probably slows down the air exit, but a little bit different design. Feels very solid and it's heavy. Like it's definitely a solid unit. Alright, there's our 43cc measuring cup. Now my old unit only did 2 of these. This one can do 4 of these, so up to 120 grams, I believe, which is great. A little more styrofoam. Pop that aside, and there she is. Yeah, pull her out of there. Alright, on off, got some plastic things. And this is not a potentiometer. This is, in fact, I can't remember what you call it now, but it's one of those radial dials that just spins and just counts the amount that you spin it around, so it can infinitely adjust anything. And this definitely got some heft to it compared to the other unit. And I'll compare them side by side. Not that it really matters. I think most people at this point have got you know, either the 340 or 500 or 700 or something. But yeah, so there it is there. This almost feels metal. It's solid. Positional tongs there to keep it in one piece. This, yeah, it seems like a much more robust, solid design. But yeah, that is it there. So that's everything in the box. And let me just do a quick comparo here. Yeah, so there's the original FB01. Yeah, it's definitely, you know, an old version, but hey, 20 years on, and it's only just failed in the last week, so hopefully I get 20 years out of this 540. Anyway, there's your unboxing. Thanks for watching.